In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use language interpretation in Microsoft Teams. Language interpretation is a powerful feature that lets you run truly multilingual meetings. It allows presenters to speak in one language while interpreters provide real-time audio in another, so participants can follow along in the language they're most comfortable with. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through what you need to set up, how to enable interpretation in a meeting, and how participants can choose their language channel. First, it's important to know that language interpretation is available only in scheduled Teams meetings, not in channel meetings or ad hoc calls. You'll want to schedule your meeting in advance through your calendar in Teams or Outlook. When you create the meeting, make sure you invite both your regular participants and the interpreters who will be providing translation. Interpreters should join as regular attendees at first. You'll assign their role inside the meeting later. Once your meeting is scheduled and it's time to start, join the meeting as the organizer. After you're in the meeting, look for the meeting controls at the top of the window and open the More Options menu, usually shown as 3 dots. From there, select the meeting options. This is where you can turn on interpretation. In the Meeting Options panel, you'll see a section for language interpretation. Turn this on. When you enable it, you'll be able to add interpreters and define which languages they will handle. Choose your source language, which is the language your main speaker will use, and then select the target language that each interpreter will be translating into. For each language pair, assign the correct interpreter from your list of invited attendees. Make sure you confirm that each interpreter is linked to the right language. Interpreters will hear the original audio and speak in the target language. Teams automatically lowers the volume of the original audio for participants who select an interpreted channel, so they can focus on the translation while still faintly hearing the floor audio in the background. Once your interpreters are assigned and you've saved the options, interpretation is live for that meeting. Let your participants know that they can choose their language by opening the meeting controls, going into the language or interpretation option, and selecting their preferred channel. They can switch languages at any time during the meeting if multiple options are available. If you need to adjust interpreters or languages while the meeting is running, you can return to meeting options and update the assignments. Just remember that any changes will affect what participants hear, so it's best to make adjustments during a pause or transition in your event. And that's how you use language interpretation in Microsoft Teams, allowing you to host more inclusive and accessible meetings for a global audience.